Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then in the eye, atropine will cause mydriasis in the eye because it will actually weaken the contraction of sphincter pupillae is weakened. So as a result, it causes mydriasis. Atropine causes cycloplegia because it weakens the ciliary muscles of the eye, so it causes cycloplegia. It causes paralysis of accommodation. It causes photophobia. Dry eyes are seen due to atropine because it inhibits the secretion of the lacrimal glands. It is used as cosmetic in Renaissance world, that is belladonna is used as cosmetics in Renaissance world. It decreases the aqueous humor and thus increases the aqueous humor outflow. It decreases the humor outflow, so there is increased aqueous humor is present, so thus it increases the intraocular pressure. It is contraindicated in acute angle glaucoma. It is also contraindicated in benign prostatic hyperplasia. So atropine is contraindicated in acute angle glaucoma and benign prostatic hyperplasia.
thank you and thank you for watching.